First question, who in your life makes you feel safe?
My mom.
Wow. Thank you. Okay, second. Do you know why I love you so much?
No, I got it. Because I look like daddy and Kuya Alan.
What?
Because I look like daddy and Kuya
Ay,
Alan.
ganun ba yun? Okay. Third question. Has anyone ever asked you to keep a secret?
No.
Wala pa.
Yeah.
What if someone tell you na gusto ka niya?
I would say, no.
No, ano pa? Ano sabihin mo sa kanya?
Nasabi ko.
Hindi, kunyari, merong girl na gusto ka, ano yung mafe-feel mo?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Next. What makes you happiest?
My mom.
Woo! Really?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel around me most of the time?
Feeling good.
Okay. Next. If there's anything about the world or people you want to understand. Who?
You.
Huh?
Oh, money is your money.
Ay?
Yeah.
What is your favorite memory?
When I enter the voice of myself and actually I almost got late because of changing my clothes.
Okay. Okay.
Changing my clothes.
Ito, maganda
But
to.
I actually am time.
Okay, ito. Ito maganda to.
That's my best
If you had one wish, that one lasted one day, what would you wish for? Bibigyan ka na isang araw ng isang wish na maglalas na isang araw. Ano yung wish mo na yun? Wish. Greatest wish.
get $1 trillion. I would buy everything.
Okay.
Magbibili muna ako lang mga things we need. Tapos, parang nawala na yon.
Yung one day, so brainy, Okay.
I'm the most brainiest kid in the world.
Okay,
No
okay.
love, money first.
Oh,
Pagbata.
pagbata.
Hindi ko alam kung teenager. Money first.
What is your greatest fear?
Nagiting ka ko.
Okay. Take your time.
Being alone in the night.
Alone in the night?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Hard, I like so many food.
What is your
Ano?
favorite food?
Wait, sweet.
No.
Okay. Ginagit. Isip ako. Chicken ba? Pero masarap ako. Chicken.
Okay lang, kahit tatlo.
Only one. I'll take.
Okay.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
What is your greatest dream? When you grow up.
I don't know. It's
Dream.
Let me think.
Okay.
Be an successful YouTuber.
Okay. What?
Kasi you can actually make $1 million. Pag meron kang 20 million views, pag 1,000 cents lang yun.
So, dream mo maging YouTuber.
Yeah, 4 cents each 1,000.
Okay. Next.
Nakakuha 10,000 subscribers.
Okay.
Medyo ko lang 10,000
Who
likes.
do you miss the most?
Who do you miss? Dad.
Dad.
Always.
If daddy is here, anong sasabihin mo sa kanya? One word. O sige, 3 word.
Anyone, let me guess. Happy.
Happy ka? What else? Why happy ka? Sabi mo kay daddy happy? Ano?
Alam mo yun?
Hindi.
Sign language.
Ay, sabi mo kay daddy.
Sign language.
Ano nga, hindi ka nga.
I'm happy.
Because?
3 words. Okay na.
Hindi nga, because nga kasi grow up ka na.
It's cause I love you.
You love daddy.
I love you. I love you. Ooh.
Okay. Ano pa? Ano pang question? Anong sasabihin mo sa ano? Sa life mo ngayon?
Peaceful.
Okay. Peaceful.
Yeah.
Sa school,
Not very peaceful.
why?
I don't know. Okay. Actually, I don't know. I don't know.
Safetiest place. Saan yung pinaka-safe na place mo? House? School?
School, no. Not that. Not that, cause there might be you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
School
But you
shooter.
But you need to go to school.
Max. Ayun po yung pinaka-biggest fear ko, may school shooter.
Okay. Ano yung pinaka-thankful ka na nangyari sa buhay mo?
Having you.
Having me. Ano yung pinaka-sad part of your life?
My dad dying.
Namimiss mo yung daddy mo?
Yeah.
Paano pag ano yung pinaka gusto mong maging? Kunyari, nanaginip ka, nakita mo si daddy, anong una mong gagawin sa kanya? Korong ka ng dream na panaginipan mo siya. Hindi sign language siya. Sabihin mo,
I love you.
I love you. Sabi mo, I love you. Ano pa? Ano yan? Wag sign language. Hug mo siya. Embrace mo siya.
Yeah.
And sabi mo, okay lang ako, dad. I'm okay.
That's I'm okay, dad.
I'm strongest.
I'm
Strongest.
I love you.
Okay. Ano yung pinagpipray mo kay God? Every day.
For the food.
Hi! Sige na.